Clayton's truck. See, Clayton's driving. He's grinning. He likes her. Wait, sharp curve, sharp curve. Don't make my life in danger. Who's your daddy? Who's your daddy? Who's your daddy? Oh, look at the geese. I said, who's your daddy? You better say it. Hey, we should pick that up. We're going to do, because I haven't done it yet. Clayton has the honor. He's going to do a burnout. So the phone will go out the window for the noise, correct? And then we'll slow down to see how long of a black mark we make. Right? No tickets. I don't need a skid mark ticket. We just,
hey, it says stop. That means school tires on paper.
okay. Okay. So me and Clayton have spent the afternoon together fixing Clayton's car. And of course when we're together we have the most fun, don't we? I always got to turn up my awesome radio. Oh, I forgot the thing to clean my CD player. Okay. So. Ooh. No cops live by here, right? Okay. I don't know if we can see out the back window. Maybe. Okay. But we can hear out wait a minute, let me roll my window down. We got ice cold air, but we got the windows down because we gotta hear the motor. Wait, you need to rev it up. I'll put the phone out the window so you can hear it, okay? Okay, hang on. First, wait a minute, one cushion. Hang on. Don't you have fun with me? Huh? Yeah, see? That's my boy. My boy. Not anybody else's boy. Okay, are we gonna do it?
Yeah, it's our driveway right here.
Okay, hang on. You got a car. Don't hit a tree.
I am not.
Okay. She doesn't need any more dents in her. Okay, hang on. Now hang on. Stop. Put it in neutral, do the motor. Here. Okay. Wait, there's a car. Okay. Go for it. Wait, let me hang out the window to get the black mark. You got two. Oh, there's smoke back there still. Clayton, go back there and pick up my dang tires. So who's got the best truck?
Durango does better.
Wait. Oh, now you admit to abusing the Durango.
I know I did.
Admission of guilt.
I've probably held extra and Justin